Tell them where we're going then, Jakey boy.
So today is a mega cool trip. For the next couple of days, we are off to Wales. And we are going deep into Wales.
Into the valleys.
Past the valleys. I think we're going to a place next to Snowdonia. 650 kilometres of massive downhill mountain bike park. It looks stunning from what I've seen online. And we are off with DEWALT to film a brand new bike jump, some ramps, which is mega cool. And that is all we know right now. Drop off, yeah. So when we get there, we'll be finding out a lot more. The hotel looks amazing, amazing views. And so far this trip already, we've been a couple of hours through Wales. It is stunning. We'll show you some clips. Yeah, it's very wet, but we'll show you some clips in a minute. We are, even right now, the most beautiful surroundings in it. It's stunning here.
It's unreal. And we've currently got 2 hours and 16 minutes.
That's how long we still got left.
Yeah.
So that might be the only downside to this trip. It's a big old drive. It's 4 hours from door to door.
We're surrounded by sheep.
There's a lot of sheep, a lot of hills.
A lot of pheasants.
And not a single motorway inside. It seems to be all countryside, which is a tad annoying, but is what it is, isn't it? Will be well worth it when we get there, see the lads. We're here with about 4 other DEWALT lads.
Yeah.
So, and these are all lads with like really cool followings, really cool stories. 2 of them are landscapers, which is always really good for us. So we get to chat a lot of landscaping, which Ethan hates, talking work. But it's nice to see what everyone's up to and how they're getting on while the weather's like this. So, 2 days away, 1 night. Most people think these trips, well, the good thing is you're just getting away and you get to do stuff. It's not. It's actually being with the team from DEWALT and seeing stuff like this new bike park. I'd never come to this bike park in my life. And already a 2-hour trip is mega exciting to get into this bike park, seeing the other lads, spending time with other people in similar circumstances and just enjoying it, like just building, working with a brand like DEWALT. It's so cool, isn't it? So on this trip, we've got a really good bunch. Every trip we go on, there's always different lads, which we're always blessed to be on these trips. We've got Matt from D5, we've got Slade come in, George Oskins there from Oskins, is it Oskins Improvements, Oskins channel, something like that?
Oskins Landscaping.
Yeah, so we're going to meet him for the first time. And then, am I forgetting anyone? No, I think that's it, isn't it?
Is it just those 3?
I think there's only 4 of us coming to this trip and the team from DEWALT. And normally 2.5 hours sounds like a very long drive, doesn't it? This has probably been the most picturesque, beautiful drive I think I've been on. And it's mad to think this is just down the road to Bristol. 2.5 hours worth of drive, and along this river, we've just seen the most beautiful river and stream that's going on for miles, doesn't seem to end. The hills and the valleys, the cliffs, are all absolutely stunning. I have to put my hand up and say this is one of the most beautiful places I've been, and it's right on my doorstep. So after, technically what was a 4-hour journey, but it wasn't, it was 5 hours because we've got to do some footage, we are here. This place is already, turn around and have a look at this. This is our view. We're not even in there yet. It's a bit black and a bit grey, but it looks rather cool and rather stunning. Come around here, we got the Welsh flag coming up. Reception's this way, we ain't got a clue where we're going, mind. Probably one of the most beautiful views you're gonna see. We're gonna get in there, and I think then we've got hour and a half till we go out with some food with the DEWALT lot. So we'll show you around, show you our rooms, show you the hotel a little bit, take in this view, and then see what else is going on. So we're at the hotel. They reckon where the mountains meet the sea. It did sort of justify that outside, to be fair. And we've been here 2 minutes, and the man behind the camera's over the moon. Not only have they got a snooker table, they've got a pool table, and the bar's open, ready to roll. So it looks like get into the room, chuck our gear down, and get out for a bit of pool and a pint. Sounds good.
Here's that. He's got his pint. He's happy, man. That.
This is all work, mate. This is strictly work. But We've got an hour to spare, and they've just told us they've got a snooker
It
table
would be
on site.
rude not to.
So yeah, every now and again, I do apologise to both the partners for this, but cheers. Don't need the pressure, I've got into it too hard. Stop, 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 stop. That's your fault, putting the camera on me, I messed right up.
Not happy. First game.
1-0 up. Oh, we got a scoreboard? No.
And he's fluked the black.
Don't matter. Black ball game, 1-0 up.
And he's fluked.
I'm not meant to be that good, mind, apparently.
And he's not even apologised.
Well,
That's not a way to start
down
the
short,
DEWALT tour.
We're off. What is the time? 8:16. We're off for some breakfast. And then straight to the bike park. And this is where it all is going to kick off. And we've got a lot to do. First of all, I do need to go down and have a breakfast and coffee, so I'm knackered. So that is it. The hotel we are done, finished with, and we are off to DYFI Bike Park. Just had an amazing, massive fry up, which was really cool. Nice black coffee, start the day off, and we are 1 minute to 9. We're running a little bit behind, I think. And we are getting there, and we'll see what we're in for. We've heard a bit today though already. It's gonna be a bit of building, some benches, some of the ramps need finishing, some bits like that. So the next time you'll see the camera on, we'll be at DYFI Bike Park, showing you what we're doing. So that is it, we are here, DYFI Bike Park. Let's get ready for some fun building and a lot of downhill mountain biking, I suspect.
Mate, these t-shirts are up. I'm surprised you up. I'm surprised you ain't got the old twisty.
Down, let's go. So we just had our brief, we're off to grab some tools, and then I think in that Land Rover there and another one, which is my favourite motor of all time, we are going to grab some kit and get up here and start doing some building, start actually helping them out. So on to the next bit, let's grab some tools and get going.
It's fucked, isn't it?
So, we've just got here with the lads that have been building this amazing place. We'll show you around in a minute, all the ramps. And then if we pan over to here slightly, we've got these two big ramps on this side here. All the wood is from these woods and tree. All of this stuff here, we're gonna be cutting all of this down, fitting on the ramps and helping the lads actually build these ramps, which is pretty cool. So, first part is get the kit out, get ready and start building. That a little bit, but ignore the hair under the hat. But we've been here a couple of hours already, and straight away we're off. You can see the first ramp. Feels like the last couple of months that's all we've been doing, ramp building. It's going to be a new hobby of ours, Green Genie. this side here, me and Matt from DYFI's building that one over there. We've got Oskins over there cutting it. And then you've got the boys from Slade on that side there, started to put noggins in and support that ramp out. So far already, to be fair, we're flying. Like I said, we've been here a couple of hours. So by the end of this day, I've got a funny feeling we'll have this one done, that one supported. And the boys from the actual bike park have got a rough job, haven't they, there? They are digging and putting drainage in by the looks of it. So we're gonna carry on doing all the woodwork. Well, we're halfway up on this side. The boys are flying on that side. But me and Matt, I don't want to say it too loud. Oh no, to be fair to him, he's coming now. George is on his way. I was going to say he's slacking, but fair play to him. It was basically, I was just posing for a picture, right? This is what we was waiting on, a bit of timber.
We'll take that.
What you can't get a benefit on that video is, it actually smells amazing, this as well. This wood smells so nice. And George's cuts are getting straighter, which is decent, isn't it? One ramp down, onto the second ramp, here we go. Quick refreshment though, because I'm knackered already, you know what? You know what I'm like? Look how sick that first ramp looks there. How cool is that? Thank you, mate. We got to take their glory as well, which is the fun part. They built it, done all the aircraft, and we got to put the boards on, make a nice finish. So yeah, we're on to the second ramp now. Let's roll with this second one.
Yeah, we're getting there. One ramp down, one to go. Teamwork makes the dream work, and the views aren't bad either. So, sun's out, can't complain.
Just died. Jake, yeah, good mate. Just last little bit there, and our battery's died. Can I need that battery? Is that all right? Sorry, mate. Oh, that's it. Battery change, all for this. Ready? Done.
Hold on, I don't want to get ours mixed up. Okay.
How are we getting on, mate?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, the boys are starting the next ramp. That one's completed. We've got Charlie doing a little bit of cutting there and having a bit of a dance. So yeah, weather's lovely. Yeah, we better get cracking on.
Well, 12:15. It's flown by this morning, absolutely flown by. We're on the second ramp, we're having a few more hiccups on this one. That one went in absolutely perfect, this one. Yeah, a few decisions, maybe a bit of adjusting, a bit tweaking, but we'll work it out. Yeah. So that is both ramps fully done. Literally, we smashed out about 2-3 hours worth. To be fair, there was about 20 of us here. How cool does that look? Unbelievable view at this place, unbelievable. Just even if you're coming here just on your mountain bike, the views are nuts, aren't they? Insane out here. And I've actually done a nice, decent morning's worth of work. I think we're gonna have a snack now, something to drink and eat, which would be cool. And then I think there's a bit more ramp building for the bikes. And then we might actually see some of these absolute nutters go on these ramps, and it's not going to be me going out there, no way. Half of a day done. It's been a great half of the day. We've just come down there and they've got an amazing Land Rover they bring us down in. So basically, they'll drive you around this bike park, take your bikes back up, you come to the top, come back down. But we're just getting chauffeured around in this super cool Land Rover. We're coming back here now for some food, and then I think we got one more ramp, and then we're going to watch a bit of the boys doing the ramp jump, so we get to see what we've built and see if it actually works, which would be really cool now. And fingers crossed, I don't know what food's going to be, but fingers crossed it's something decent. And a coffee. I am dying for a coffee. In. Probably my favourite part of the day so far, isn't it? Nice jacket potato, cheese and beans, black Americano. Bit of a refresh and go again. Busy afternoon for us now, so I just need to take this in, have half an hour and then crack back on with the lads, because it takes it out of you sometimes when you do these days, so you think you'll be all right, and then knackered now. But yeah, have this, power on, and I'm sure I'll be ready to roll again in a minute. So, I've been calling it Duffy all day, but it's Dovey pronounced. But if you are into your down in mountain bike, you probably already know about this place, to be fair. It is unreal. If you're into this, the setup is phenomenal, the food, the driving you around, the ramps. Pretty sure that's why it's so busy. We're here just to make sure we can build some ramps for them. Yeah. Fucking hell. Right, start that video again. Well, what I was actually going to do is say, I'm not going to do much talking. I wanted to get this in a video. All these old like ruins, little slate shepherd huts, which is really cool. But this is the part where I'll shut up, because this is probably one of the nicest views you're ever going to see. If there's anything more worth seeing today, it's this view here. Absolutely bonkers that is, isn't it? What a very nice place. Right, so we normally give a timestamp. It's now 2:30, and I've got to be honest with you, we're on our last ramp up here, screwing this in, me and Matt, and I'm knackered. So, genuinely,
I've cut my hand.
I've got half an hour, yeah, he's injured. I'm out of breath because it made me walk up a hill, and I can't wait to go home. No, joking, it's not that bad, but it's getting there. So the actual boards we're screwing down on here are for this drop-off, and this is as close as I'm going to get to this edge because I'm petrified of heights, but that drop-off is massive. So come in here a little bit more, go steady, and that is one big old drop-off down there. That's where the lads jump off, shoot off that ramp, and end up on that first ramp we built. But yeah, fair play to them, because it ain't catching me doing it. Yeah, that can't go, can it? Do this one as well. Yeah. So that's it behind me. That's the drop-off complete, with even the nice little added detail of the DEWALT sign on the chain. Pretty proud of that myself, to be honest with you. I think the lads did a mint job. That is rather cool, but rather scary. I don't know if the camera does this justice. That is a massive drop. Definitely not catching me going down there, but the boys are going to be on it soon. We'll see. So, that is the end of that video for us, and we really hope you've enjoyed it. It's been an amazing trip from us. If you could, we'd massively appreciate it. If you could like this video, just even write to us boys, the Green Genie boys, a comment, let us know what you enjoyed or what you want to see us do in the next video, because we'll really enjoy doing these YouTubes. So if you could, that'd be amazing. We appreciate your time watching it. It's been a mega trip. Thank you so much.